Hey friends, a lot of users are asking me how to increase dedicated video RAM. Dedicated video RAM is different from virtual video RAM. It is associated with the graphics card of your system. So the answer is you cannot do it at the software level. You cannot do it at the software level. You will have to change the graphics card for the same. So if you have a laptop, you cannot do it at all. If you have a, let's say, a desktop, then you can add a new graphics card, although it requires a little bit of expertise. But you can, go to Amazon and search for graphics card and all to and buy it, and then you can use it. Okay, so this is what you can do. You cannot do it directly. You will have to buy a new graphics card. There's nothing that you can do at the software level. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.